Finding your Airtel Thanks app coupon codes shouldn't feel like a mission impossible. Let's get you sorted in under 2 minutes. First, open your Airtel Thanks app. Right there on the home screen, look for the section titled Discover Airtel Thanks Benefits. It's usually located at the top. See it? Great, tap on Discover Airtel Thanks Benefits. This is where all the magic happens. Now, on the Benefits page, find the Coupons and Offers section. The wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but it should be something similar. Tap on Coupons and Offers to reveal all available coupons. You will see a list of all the available coupons and the validity of these coupons. Browse through the list and select the coupon you want to use. Make sure you read the terms and conditions. Then, tap on the Redeem or Claim button associated with that coupon. Your coupon code is now revealed. Copy the code, follow the instructions provided, and enjoy your savings. That's it. You've successfully found and redeemed your Airtel Thanks app coupon. Now go forth and save some money.